Hello class, my name is Mara Martinez. I am 21 years old and I will turn 22 next week, actually next Wednesday. I am a senior student majoring in bilingual education, EC through 6th grade. And if everything goes as planned, I hope to graduate really soon, the next spring, which is spring 2016. And I am really anxious for this moment to come, since achieving a higher education is one of my biggest dreams and one of my main priorities in life. I became interested in becoming a teacher some years ago when I was in high school here in Matamoros. I studied almost all my life in Matamoros. And while I was in high school, I had the opportunity to teach literacy to children of disadvantaged families. And I became fascinated since the first time I was in front of that classroom. Especially, I became really motivated to see the great desire for learning these children had. And I remember I became strongly attached to them. I wanted to meet all their needs, especially their material needs. But unfortunately, of course, I didn't have the resources. So one day, while I was reflecting in this experience, I thought, okay, I would like to dedicate my life to give children the most valuable gift they can have. It's better than any material thing I can give to them. Okay, so I would like to teach. I would like to give them this gift, which is education. So I am currently also working in an English immersion school here in Matamoros, where I am a kindergarten or pre-K teacher. Here is kindergarten from the 3 years and 4-year-olds. So I'm a teacher of 3 and 4-year-olds. I know in the U.S. this grade level is pre-K, but here is known as kindergarten, as part of the kindergarten. Here I just have, these are my first 4 months in this school, and I'm very happy to say that in this moment of my life I have the privilege of having my own classroom where I'm the main teacher. So this is a great opportunity for me because I'm achieving all the necessary experience before I graduate. So this is one of my biggest achievements right now. And what else can I tell you? While working in this school and also having the opportunity to teach in several pre-K and kinder classrooms in Bronzeville, when I have conducted service learning, I have decided I would like to teach in the early childhood grade levels, because definitely my heart is in teaching little children. So this was a little introduction about me. I hope you liked my video, and good luck to you all in this summer session. Bye.